special video cast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wong. First, US dollar. The dollar fell on Thursday after better-than-expected job data pushed up risk appetite. The greenback ended the day at 1.3099 to the euro and 99.66 to the yen. Today's data includes the advanced retail sales in March, which is expected to show a rise of 0%, and Michigan's confidence, which is expected to fall a basis point. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Thursday after yield-hungry investors sold a riskier assets, pushing up the demands for the eurozone's peripheral debts. The single currency ended the day at 1.3099 to the dollar and 130.56 to the yen. Today's data includes the eurozone's industrial productions, which is expected to fall by negative 2.5% in February, and the German wholesale price index in March. British pound. The pound gained on Thursday as a result of an upbeat assessment of the economy following recent positive data, as well as a general rise in risk appetite globally on the back of strong US job data. The sterling ended the day at 1.5384 to the dollar and 0.8513 to the euro. Today's data include the construction outputs in February, which showed a negative 7.9% print in February. Japanese yen. The yen weakens on Thursday after safety flows stints on the strengthening outlooks for the global economy, and investors sold higher yielding assets not dominated in yen. The Japanese currency ended the day at 99.66 to the dollar and 130.56 to the euro. And now the section you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open sharp positions below 1.31 with targets at 1.304 and 1.2995 in extensions. Above 1.31, which will look for further upside with 1.3125 and 1.314 as targets. If you trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.5034 with targets at 1.541 and 1.545 in extensions. Below 1.5034, which will look for further downside with 1.5285 and 1.5245 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 98.9 with targets at 100 and 100.8 in extensions. Below 98.9, which will look for further downside with 98 and 97.15 as targets. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in next Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a good weekend.